Hello everyone, long time no see. I come back with the new video about new feature on Epicor Kinetic ERP. Updatable on BAQ. Okay, firstly we create a new BAQ for testing this. Sample, we will create a updatable for order hold on sales order. We will pick order header and customer table into the query. After that we will display some fields. Make sure that the key fields is also pulled, mean order num, company, cust num. Okay, we pick some sample fields. Yup. Okay, we need to pick again. I will make a filter for only open order displayed. I forgot to display customer information, so come back I display them. After that we save this BAQ. Yup, seem there is an existed one, so I will rename BAQ ID. And now, we mark Updatable to change this BAQ to Updatable BAQ. We navigate to the circle process to get more details about Updatable. Mark on order held. You can also do like this for the other fields. Okay, this error happens because we forgot to set up update settings below. So tick to allow multiple row update. Select service to choose update method. Choose ERP, sales order. Okay, and save this BAQ. Next we test this by navigating to execute. Click Get List to get sales order list. On Classic, we double-click on the line to open the update window. But now on Kinetic, we choose Edit on the first column. Mark hold and OK. Click Update to save the data. Hi, seem it runs slowly, wait a minute. Okay, we get list to get new data and check. Yes, it's done. Seem dashboard updatable is not released now, so we need wait for the next version. So this feature will be updated on Kinetic the 5th of January 2205. Go ahead, update your ERP now. If this video is useful, please like and subscribe. Thank you so much for your viewing.